The Sahara Desert, a place of immense size and unforgiving beauty. It stretches as far as the eye can see, an ocean of sand that seems to go on forever. Its dunes shift and change with the wind, hiding secrets beneath their golden waves. The ever-moving sands create a landscape that is both timeless and ever-changing. For centuries, the Sahara has held on to its mysteries. The desert has been a silent witness to the rise and fall of civilizations, its sands covering the remnants of ancient cultures. But the desert whispers its stories to those who listen. The wind carries tales of ancient times, of people who once thrived in this harsh environment. It hints at a time long ago. The relics and carvings tell us of a world that was once vibrant and full of life, a time when the Sahara was a very different place. Once, this vast desert was a lush green landscape teeming with life and flowing rivers. What lies beneath the Sahara's sands? Lost cities? Forgotten civilizations? The desert holds many secrets, waiting to be uncovered by those who seek them. The Sahara's secrets are slowly being revealed. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding the rich history hidden beneath the sands. Archaeologists and explorers are uncovering evidence of a rich and complex past. They are piecing together the story of a land that was once fertile and full of life. They are finding clues to a time when the Sahara was a green and fertile land. The discoveries of ancient riverbeds and oases tell us of a time when this desert was a thriving ecosystem, supporting a diverse range of life. The artifacts they uncover provide a glimpse into the daily lives of the people who once called this place home. Pottery, tools, and other relics tell us about their culture, their way of life, and their interactions with the environment. Even today, the Sahara is home to nomadic tribes who continue to live in harmony with the desert. Their way of life is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of the human spirit. As the sun sets over the Sahara, the desert comes alive with the whispers of its past. The stories of ancient civilizations, lost cities, and forgotten cultures echo through the sands, waiting to be heard by those who listen. Under the vast starry sky, the Sahara remains a place of wonder and mystery. Its secrets are slowly being revealed, but many more remain hidden, waiting for the right moment to be discovered. The desert's whispers continue to call out to those who seek to understand its mysteries. The journey to uncover the Sahara's secrets is a never-ending adventure, filled with discovery and wonder. As dawn breaks over the Sahara, a new day begins, bringing with it the promise of new discoveries and the hope of uncovering more of the desert's hidden stories. The Sahara's whispers will continue to be heard, guiding those who seek to uncover its secrets and understand its rich and complex history. The journey through the Sahara is a journey through time, a journey that reveals the beauty and mystery of one of the world's most enigmatic landscapes. Today, the Sahara Desert is the largest hot desert in the world. But it wasn't always this way. Thousands of years ago, the Sahara was a lush savanna. Rivers flowed through the grasslands, lakes shimmered in the sun. This period is known as the African Humid Period. What caused this dramatic transformation? Scientists believe that a shift in Earth's orbital patterns altered rainfall patterns. The once abundant monsoon rains gradually diminished. Over time, the land dried out. The Sahara's transformation was a slow process. It took thousands of years for the once fertile land to become the desert we know today. Despite the harsh conditions, humans and animals thrived in the Green Sahara. This period, known as the African Humid Period, transformed the Sahara into a lush green landscape teeming with life. Rivers flowed, lakes filled, and vegetation flourished, creating an environment where both humans and animals could thrive. The Green Sahara was a stark contrast to the arid desert we know today. Evidence of their existence can be found in rock art and archaeological sites scattered throughout the region. These sites are a testament to the ingenuity and adaptability of the people who lived there. They left behind a rich tapestry of art and artifacts that tell the story of their lives and their environment. The rock art in particular is a fascinating window into the past, revealing the animals they encountered and the activities they engaged in. These remnants provide a glimpse into the lives of these early Saharan people. The carvings and artifacts found in the Sahara are not just random pieces of history. They are carefully crafted records of a bygone era. They show us how these people hunted, gathered, and celebrated. They give us insight into their social structures, their beliefs, and their daily routines. Each piece of art and each artifact is a piece of the puzzle that helps us understand the Green Sahara. The rock art depicts a variety of animals. These include elephants, giraffes, and even crocodiles. These animals, which are now associated with more temperate and tropical regions, once roamed the Sahara. Their presence in the rock art is a clear indication of the wetter, more hospitable environment that existed during the African Humid Period. The diversity of animals depicted in the art is a testament to the rich biodiversity that once characterized the Sahara. These animals are no longer found in the Sahara. The climate changed, the rivers dried up, and the lakes disappeared, leaving behind the vast, arid desert we see today. The transformation of the Sahara from a green, lush landscape to a dry, inhospitable desert is a stark reminder of the power of climate change. It also highlights the resilience of the people and animals who once called the Green Sahara home. Their presence in the rock art provides further evidence of a wetter past. The detailed depictions of animals and human activities in the rock art are not just artistic expressions, they are historical records. They tell us about the environment, the climate, and the way of life during the African Humid Period. The rock art is a valuable resource for scientists and historians, helping them piece together the history of the Sahara and its inhabitants. The art also depicts humans hunting, dancing, and engaging in daily life. These scenes provide a vivid picture of the social and cultural life of the early Saharan people. They show us how they interacted with their environment, how they celebrated their successes, and how they coped with the challenges of their time. The rock art is a testament to their creativity, their resilience, and their ability to adapt to changing conditions and engaging in daily life. The daily activities depicted in the rock art include hunting, gathering, cooking, and socializing. These scenes give us a glimpse into the everyday lives of the early Saharan people. They show us how they lived, worked, and played. They also provide valuable information about their tools, their clothing, and their social structures. The rock art is a rich source of information about the Green Sahara and its inhabitants. It tells the story of a vibrant and sophisticated culture that once flourished in the heart of the Sahara. The people of the Green Sahara were not just surviving, they were thriving. They developed complex social structures, created beautiful art, and built lasting monuments. Their culture was rich and diverse, reflecting the abundance of their environment. The story of the Green Sahara is a story of resilience, creativity, and adaptability. It is a story that continues to inspire and fascinate us today. Lost Kingdoms of the Sands. The Sahara's sands conceal the ruins of lost cities and forgotten civilizations. These ancient people adapted to the changing environment. They developed innovative ways to survive in the increasingly arid landscape. One such civilization was the Garamantes. They thrived in what is now southwestern Libya. The Garamantes were renowned for their sophisticated underground irrigation system. This system, known as foguera, allowed them to cultivate crops and access water in the desert environment. The Garamantes were also skilled traders. They controlled a vast network of caravan routes across the Sahara. The Sahara Trade. The Sahara Desert has long been a crossroads of trade. Even in ancient times, intrepid merchants braved the harsh conditions to transport valuable goods across its expanse. These goods included gold, salt, and sadly, slaves. One of the most important trade routes was the Trans-Saharan trade route. This route connected North Africa to sub-Saharan Africa. It facilitated the exchange of goods and ideas between different cultures. Camels, known as the ships of the desert, played a vital role in this trade. They were able to traverse the vast distances and carry heavy loads. Unmasking the Past. In recent years, archaeologists have been using modern technology to uncover the Sahara's secrets. Satellite imagery, for instance, has proven invaluable in identifying potential archaeological sites hidden beneath the sand. This technology has allowed researchers to see through the sand and identify ancient riverbeds, settlements, and even pyramids. These discoveries are helping to piece together a more complete picture of the Sahara's past. They are revealing the extent of human presence in the region and the sophistication of these ancient cultures. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more astonishing discoveries in the years to come. The mysteries remain. The Sahara Desert remains a place of mystery and wonder. Stretching over 9 million square kilometers, it is the largest hot desert in the world, a vast expanse of sand and rock that has fascinated explorers, scientists, and adventurers for centuries. Its sheer size and harsh conditions make it a formidable place, yet it is also a land of incredible beauty and intrigue. While we have learned much about its past, countless secrets still lie hidden beneath its sands. Archaeologists have only scratched the surface of what lies beneath. uncovering artifacts and remnants of ancient civilizations that once thrived in this now barren landscape. Each discovery adds a piece to the puzzle, but many questions remain unanswered. Who were the people who created the enigmatic rock art? These intricate carvings and paintings, some dating back thousands of years, depict scenes of daily life, animals, and even celestial events. They offer a glimpse into the lives of the Sahara's ancient inhabitants, but their true meanings and the identities of their creators remain shrouded in mystery. What other lost cities might be buried beneath the dunes? The Sahara was once home to bustling trade routes and thriving cities, many of which have been lost to time and the encroaching sands. The ruins that have been discovered hint at a rich and complex history, but much of it remains hidden, waiting to be uncovered by future generations of explorers and archaeologists. The Sahara's mysteries continue to captivate our imaginations. The desert's vast, empty spaces and its ever-changing landscape evoke a sense of timelessness and wonder. The stars that shine so brightly in the clear desert night sky remind us of the countless generations who have gazed up at them, pondering the same questions we do today. They remind us of the vastness of time and the enduring power of nature. The Sahara is a place where the forces of nature are on full display, from the relentless winds that shape its dunes to the scorching sun that beats down on its surface. It is a land of extremes, where life must adapt or perish, and where the past is preserved in the sands. As we continue to explore and uncover the Sahara's hidden past, we can only marvel at the resilience and ingenuity of the civilizations that once called this unforgiving land their home. The artifacts and ruins they left behind tell stories of adaptation, survival, and innovation in the face of harsh conditions. Each discovery is a testament to the human spirit and its ability to thrive in even the most challenging environments. The Sahara, once a green paradise, now a sea of sand, holds countless stories waiting to be told. Thousands of years ago, this desert was a lush green landscape, teeming with life. Rivers flowed, and lakes dotted the terrain, supporting a diverse array of flora and fauna. The climate changes that transformed it into the arid desert we know today are a reminder of the Earth's ever-changing nature and the impact of environmental shifts on human civilizations. Perhaps one day, we will unlock all of its secrets. Until then, the Sahara remains a place of endless fascination, a reminder of the mysteries that still lie hidden in our world. As we continue to explore and study this incredible desert, we are reminded of the importance of preserving its history and learning from the past to better understand our present and future.